how to fix Telegram. You can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if Telegram says that you can only send messages to mutual contacts. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe that you open up Telegram and then Telegram simply says that whenever you're trying to send a message to someone, it simply says that you can only send a message to mutual contacts in the moment. Before we try to fix this issue, we have to understand why this issue is occurring in the first place. Well, this issue is usually occurring because someone have reported your account too frequently. So when you've done some kind of suspicious activity, other people usually report your account, and when Telegram notice that many people have reported to your account, then they're going to restrict your ability to do anything on Telegram, which also includes messages in this case. So that's the thing you understand. In this case, there's nothing we can do. We can simply wait a couple of hours until that restriction is lifted by Telegram itself. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.